as far as I know, the Aptabad Commission sat down, and I don't know what the conclusion was. But I can tell you one thing. You see, I again go back. The Pakistani army, ISI, trained Al-Qaeda and all these groups to fight in Afghanistan. There were always links between Pakistan. There had to be links because they trained them. Now, as I said, after 9/11, when we did a 180-degree turn and went after those groups, you know, not everyone agreed with us. But in the army, people didn't agree with us. And so, as I said, there were more insider attacks in Pakistan. General Musharraf, there were 2 attacks on him, suicide attacks on him, which were insider from within the army. So people, you know, so as far as I know, and